Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. It's your girl Sperry, and today we are going to do a tutorial on this hairstyle. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, subscribe down below because it's summer, so we have a lot of summer hairstyles for 4C type of hair or natural hair to be in general. Go ahead, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a video as well. So let's just get straight into the video. So I'm starting off with a detangled hair, and as you guys can see, I'm just going to section my hair into two. The front part is going to be the one I basically work with. So with this hairstyle, I'll be using only one product, and that is my xoxo natural shea butter. That's all the product I'm using in this video. And this butter makes your hair very moisturized and very soft to detangle and work with. And for this kind of hairstyle, if you want a really defined flat twist, I would suggest you stretch your hair out a little bit. You can blow dry it or use the threading method, but I did not really stretch my hair, so it was very difficult to work with, as you can see. So I would suggest you stretch your hair first. To make life easier for you, I have a video on how to stretch your hair. That way when doing this style, it will be much easier for you. The link is up over here and also in the description box below. You can see I'm struggling trying to separate my hair, but if it was stretched out, I wouldn't have gone through that much stress. So this is the final look of the hair, and I absolutely love it. I actually didn't have this hairstyle in mind when I started, but it ended up like this, and I actually love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box. Enjoy this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're not subscribed. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
They told you that you couldn't do it cause you're washed up. Ain't like them bad girls said you should get your soul.